Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Chris Reeve Knives Ti-Lock here with me for a quick review. This is a beautiful piece, guys, made in the US of A. It's a beautiful Ti-Lock. This is a 3.94 inch long when closed. It's a titanium, beautifully milled and engraved handle knives, guys. It has a blue sapphire going on over here, stone washed, finish, engraved, beautiful. You can see that this is a special and pretty ingenious piece of machinery right over here. If you want to open this guy, yeah, you can just do it like that, but you can just flick it like that, and that's gonna be the sound that you're gonna receive when you reveal this beautiful drop point hollow grind CPM S35VN steel blade, beautifully stone washed hollow grind. The sound when this guy closes, if you flick it from the Ti-Lock right over here, it's gonna be like that. This is incredible, guys. This guy weighs in at 3.08 ounces. Awesome hawk clip, fit and finish. It's a Chris Reeve Knives. The grip of this guy, just spectacular. You have like a nice kind of like finger groove going on. You can choke it up like that. It's gonna be beautiful. This guy is not gonna go anywhere because if you push it right over here, beautiful lock, it's gonna just stay there. You basically don't have any hot spots. It's super smooth. It's super fast. This guy is running on bearings. He's the only Chris Reeve running on actually bearings. And when you close it, guys, this is just fantastic. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.